good, very good, very good, very good. Yes, very good, very good spin. Alright, slow down, stop now. Stop now, stop. Stop, Hannah, stop. Hannah, stop! Hi neighbors, what's up? What's good in the neighborhood? So good to see you again. Just leaving the gas station. I'm heading back home because Hannah has driving lessons today. Yes. Hannah that turned 15 last week. She's showing an interest in driving. And we're happy about it because when she finally reached the age to drive and all that at 18, we don't want her to be frightened about vehicles and oh my gosh, car and drive and not use the car and speed and all these things. So she's interested now. We're going to take advantage and just give her all that she wants to know. So I'm heading back home to take her out into a little parking lot that is not occupied by anybody, and let her get another run around the steering wheel this week. Made her drive just along a little dirt road last week and she totally was fascinated. So I'm excited to see how she does today. So we'll hear from her if she's looking forward to it again. Hi Hannah.
Hi.
Ready?
Yes.
You sure? Why are you looking up driving videos?
No.
Alright, so tell them.
I'm a natural. I don't need to look at any videos.
We'll see. Alright. We'll see in a minute how natural she is. But it isn't her first time. So let us hear. Tell them how it went the first time you drove. Last time you drove. How was it?
So it was good. It was good. I
felt nervous?
Yeah, it was a little. Well, no, not really. Not really. I was excited. I started feeling not nervous, but when I was driving, the wheel, how stiff the wheel was, it was kind of scary, and I felt like I was going to, like it was controlling me instead of me controlling it. But that was the only thing. But I was pretty.
And the teacher was pretty good, right?
Yeah, enough.
I don't like how that. Yes, so you know, the teacher she had a very good teacher, guys. I mean, I would recommend this person. He really displayed control over administering the lesson and so. It was me, but of course, I had to just put that in there.
I mean, he's so good, he even taught himself how to drive.
Right, that's Tina over there. I mean, I let you know how all of it. But let's go. So, ready?
Yes.
And you think you remember what you did last time, right?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Well, we'll see. Come, let's go. Alright, so Hannah is going to be learning on the family car. Nice piece of Benz. I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you the family car now. Alright, so this is the family car. Touch it, Hannah, touch it. Feels good, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It's a Subaru Exige 2012. I learned actually on when I was learning to drive, you know, I learned on a Nissan Frontier because I was learning stick. Remember my story? I bought a Star. Remember that, right?
Except for in sports.
Except for in sports, she says. Oh, go further, leave me. So I bought a Star, so I bought knowing how to drive and all of these things. But I had to learn to drive stick. That never comes to me naturally. So when I was growing up, I used to watch my father and learn, see him when do the automatic car and basically just figured it out. But I learned, first stick, I learned it on the Nissan Frontier. Tina learned to drive on a 1992 Subaru Justy. I think it's Subaru, but you know those Justy vehicles, those little red or burgundy vehicles? That's what she learned to drive on. Long time ago. But Hannah now have nice, you know, family car with cruise control and sports mode that she's going to be learning on, and I'm so happy that she can do that. Be comfortable. And yeah, she can learn her thing. Let us know what you learned on. So I learned on a Nissan Frontier. Tina learned on a Subaru Justy. Which car did you learn to drive? Which car, which little Betsy or whatever you call it, did you learn to drive on? Drop it in the comments so we can know and laugh after. No, not laugh. Yeah, I'm going to laugh after you if it's an old car. But drop it in the comments nonetheless so we can know what you learned to drive on. Alright? We're going to start the lesson right now. Okay, so now we're at location and I'm going to hand over the keys to the car. She's actually a good driver. She did very well the first time, and I'm sure she'll do well this time. But we're going to recap to see what you remember. So come on this side, miss. Come on, come. It's all yours. Hold on, man. Get yourself comfortable in the chair.
Yeah.
So the distance feels fine?
Yeah.
Sure? I think you should bring it up a little more though.
No, it's okay, it's okay.
You can use your pedals comfortably?
Yeah.
Which one is the brakes, by the way?
This one.
Right. And the gas?
This one.
Right. So you can begin to pivot your foot. Pivot your foot one place and you're just rocking it from side to side.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. So foot on the brakes. Right. And go ahead and start your car. Alright. So let me go around the other side to get a nice seat. Okay, driver. So tell me now. Check your mirrors. Your mirrors are fine. You can see behind you properly.
Yeah.
And in this one here, if you as well, adjust. You can see through the back glass.
Yeah.
Okay, check. Just tell me what does the P stand for?
Park.
R.
Reverse.
N.
Neutral.
Correct. And D.
Drive.
There are two levers behind the steering wheel. No, these right here. Which one is for indicating? The right one or the left one?
This one.
Okay.
That one.
Show me the indicator to the right.
That's the right.
Right, correct. And to the left. Okay. Next one is for what?
This is for the headlights. No, wipers.
Very good. I won't lose marks to that. Okay, so the first lesson that we're going to go over today, because the last class was really a rush, we're going to go over steering. So yeah, there are two ways to hold the steering, typically. Yeah, what they call a 10 to 2, which is this is 10 to 2, or quarter to 3, which would be this is where a 9 would be, and a 3 would be down there, basically even in line with this. Right. So those are the two main grips, right? But when you're steering, you're not supposed to let your arms cross, right? Right. So when you're steering, you can't be turning, and that shouldn't be. That shouldn't be. So there's a way there's a technique that they use that they call, I think, push and pull.
This?
No, let me demonstrate. Alright, star students, show them what's up. Turn to the right. You can go slowly. Turn to the right. Right. Collect. Beautiful. Turn to the left now. Right. Collect. Alright, lock it up now. Perfect, driver. You ready for the road now? Yeah. Give me a horn blow now. Alright. First lesson that we have is to work on our steering. So it's going to go straight. You don't need to use any gas. And and you just need to maintain a 10 to 2 grip or your quad to 3. Which one you prefer?
This one.
10 to 2, okay, that's no problem. So let's get the show on the road. All right, so show me the sequence now.
Change the gear to drive.
Okay, let's go ahead and do that. Okay, it's in drive. The vehicle is now engaged. So you're going to be now pressing the foot brake to release it. Let me see that. Perfect. And now we're ready to move. So you need to check your mirrors out there. Anybody come behind you?
No.
No. All right, so you're going to indicate right because you're moving out. Perfect. And so now we're ready to go. We're only using the brake pedal as the accelerator. So just release it slowly, and we're off. Give me a little brakes, please. Okay, perfect. You can release it again. Nice, smooth. That was a very nice smooth braking up. Now you're going to try to keep left as close as possible to the curve. Right. Very nice control. Very nice steering. So you need to keep left a little more as you approach the bend. Right. Very good. Very good. Very good. Alright, can let go for the brake a little more. But you're driving like a star, man. Alright. It's actually impressive, actually, how you negotiated that corner. Looking very pleased with yourself, Miss Sister Hannah. You did a very good job. Very good job with steering. Very good job. Feel comfortable?
Yeah.
Okay. Turn off indicator, by the way. Yeah. Let's make sure you keep it straight. Alright, so as you approach the four-way, whoever gets there first, whichever vehicle gets there first, goes through first. Alright? So if you're the first person to reach the stop sign and the other person comes after you, by right, you're supposed to go through first. As long as the way is clear, everybody stops. So you're going to approach the stop sign, stop, look right, look left, look ahead, and then you go over the stop sign. Okay. So like we have a plan?
Yeah.
So we're approaching the stop sign, and you're going to bring the car to a halt slowly. A little, go down a little more, go down a little more. And we're going to stop. No, go down a little more. So that's fine. Go down a little more and stop now. Alright, so now you're going to be looking right, look left, look straight ahead, look straight.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. Let us know in the comments how you think she did. This was just her second lesson, but you know me, I'm going to give her a pop quiz to see just how much you can apply what you learn. Just go over everything today, you know, but I think this last scenario captures everything, so you're going to just go ahead, take your time, do what we did a while ago, turn right and turn left. If you can manage, you try to reverse and come back out slowly and whatever, right? Just do what you can. Alright? You can go now. Go on with the AC. Run up your window, man. Alright, go ahead. You know, I wonder if I must read it. Is that good there? Hannah! Gone by the radio. God, please protect the car. It goes. Oh, wow. Okay. She's okay. Alright, take your time. I never teach you much reverse. Take your time. Oh, alright. Alright, remember. Slow. What's your guns? Hannah! Look at this.
So